Let's make some coquito. Let's make a pumpkin spice coquito. Coconut cake and coffee, please. Because I love cinnamon. It's a good amount of rum. I'm gonna throw more rum in that thing. Salud. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Just kidding, I'm so basic. So, hola familia, happy fall. And look, I know this is not keto, and I apologize in advance, but this is a staple con mi familia puertorriqueña. This is called coquito, which is a eggnog, kind of, but there's no egg, and it's made with coconut milk. Now, here's the thing. Like I said, I'm basic. Y'all have seen my keto pumpkin spice latte. I have yet to perfect keto condensed milk, which I'm working on it, so we'll see. However, this is something that I have to have every year, and this year I thought, let's make a pumpkin spice coquito to go with the fall, because you know, who says it needs to be Christmas to have coquito? I'm gonna have it on Thanksgiving this year. Let's make some coquito, pumpkin spice coquito. Now, before I get started, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you've had coquito before, or if this is your first time trying it, but are you ready? 1 can of cream condensed milk. This is like the nectar of the gods. It is so good. I try to get every little piece of the can out. Typically I would have a spoon to get the rest out, which I might go grab in a minute. Then 1 can of coconut milk. This one's gonna be a little bit different than the other recipe that I have. Aside from the pumpkin, the base I added coconut milk. Last time I did coconut water. 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 can of cream of coconut. It is a thick cream. You want everything in there. Every time I say coconut, I wanna say coconut cake and coffee, please. Name the movie if you know what movie that's from. If you're a 90s baby, you would know. I'm sorry, an 80s baby, 90s child. All right, see, look at all that condensed milk I was missing because I didn't use a spoon. My grandma would never let us miss anything. She would have us like swirl the other milk in here just to make sure. All right, let's get to the pumpkin. We're going to add about 1/4 of the can of pumpkin puree. So not pumpkin pie mix. There's already enough sugar in here. You don't need to do that. Just pumpkin puree. And now I'm gonna add some cinnamon because I love cinnamon. Pumpkin spice. I cannot wait. And then the piece de resistance is the 1 cup of your favorite white or gold rum. I'm using Puerto Rican's Pride, Don Q, and I'm gonna do 1 cup. It's a good amount of rum, but you can add more if you want, or less. You can leave it just like this and have it be virgin if you want to give the kids some. Let's blend this baby up because I'm ready to drink it. Here we go. That's it. Now I'm gonna taste it because sometimes it needs a little bit more of the spices. So mix it up a little. Then I'm gonna taste it. Oh my God. That is so good. I'm gonna throw more rum in that thing. You know, 1 cup of rum just wasn't enough. I'm Puerto Rican and Mexican, so we know how to throw down, you know? Una fiesta es una fiesta, people. Let me throw in a little more pumpkin spice, a little more cinnamon. This is really to your taste, however you like it. And if you want more pumpkin flavor, you can throw more pumpkin in there. Really, it's up to you, but I think this is the perfect amount of pumpkin. All right, so I know we're ready because I already tasted it. Now, typically I wouldn't put ice in my cup, but I like cold coquito, and this isn't in the fridge right now, so it's not cold. Salud. O-M-G. OMG. This is, guys, you have to try this. I'm no joke. You have to try this. It is the best. And for Thanksgiving, this is your new drink. That's it. Feliz Dia de Pavo. So, I love you. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if you've tried this, and if you did try it, and if you loved it like I did. If you changed it up, let me know. I'd be glad to try yours too. But So usually on Thanksgiving, my family says what we're thankful for. And this year, I want to tell you that one of the things I'm thankful for is you. Thank you for watching, as always. Love you, and from our family to yours, happy holidays. Oh man, I can. Whoo! I forgot to tell you, this will last 4 to 6 months in your fridge. So put it in one of your favorite bottles, empty out your rum bottle, and fill it with your coquito. You're good. All right, that's it. Salud. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. I'm just gonna drink this instead. Honey, you wanna clean up? I'm just gonna drink this. All right, see you later.